When is it necessary to clean the smoke exhaust fan module? Notes. Prepare tools. Shut down and power off. Remove the smoke exhaust fan module. Unscrew the 4 screws and remove the fan protective cover. Use a brush to remove dust, smoke oil, and debris from the fan blades and mesh covers. Spray alcohol on the cleaning cloth and wipe the fan blades, shells, and fan protective covers. Install the fan protective cover and tighten the 4 fixing screws. Wipe the air duct clean with a cleaning cloth. Install the smoke exhaust fan module.
进入 Wiki 官网查找更多信息哦。